Welcome to use dog air compressor. Next, we will introduce air compressor maintenance. The air compressor maintenance includes first maintenance and routine maintenance. Preparation, consumables and tools. Consumables must be offered from the original factory. Before replacement, we need to shut off the power, discharge the air pressure, and close the valve. Firstly, discharge oil. Replace oil separating coil. During the oil separating coil replacement, you should pay special attention to not letting the fragments fall into the oil tank when cleaning the old gaskets. Before carrying the flange carry plate, we must make sure there is no dirt particles in the oil. Replace the air filter. Replace the oil filter. Tighten the new one with hands. Screw up the oil filter for 3/4 to 1 circle with strap wrench. Make sure it is neither too tight or too loose. When inject the new oil, make sure the liquid level is above the right line position. Run machine, stop it, and make sure the oil level is at the middle of the two right lines. Adjust the strap and inject the butter grease of motor bearing. Fasten different connecting terminals. Use the high-pressure air to clean the radiator. For setting parameters, please carefully watch the subtitles instructions. clean the eye dryer radiation and filter. Run the machine and check different operation parameters. See whether there is leakage of oil or gas in different connectors. Wipe the machine and the operation is finished.